Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Hour. And what we have here is a couple of Spigen cases that I just want to unbox for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I like Spigen, so I usually get these. This is the thin fit. Like I said, this is just really a short video to see how the phone would fit in with these Spigen cases. This one's the thin one. Nice feel, actually. I like it. Nice feel. Let's put it in there. There you go. Very nice. It's a nice feel. It doesn't add too much. Bulk. This one. It's pretty good. I like it. It's got some lift here. Yep, I like it. And also, this is the Tough Armor. This one's the bigger one. All right, let's take it out of the other one first. Sorry, excuse me. The Tough Armor. Let's see. I like it too. It adds a bit more weight and size to it, but again, it's nice. It's got some lift. It adds a bit more, but not that much more. Not that much more. It's got all the cutouts, just like the other one. Looks nice. It's plain black, so it's good. I like it. And in case you want to watch, you can just put it like that. All right, and that's it. I just wanted just a quick unboxing of the two Spigen cases I got. Again, the Tough Armor, which is a bit bigger, and the Thin Fit, which fits very nice and snug. And it's good just when you're going out and you don't want something too big. All right. So that's just a quick unboxing of the Spigen cases. Thanks.